Hey folks, cosmetic peel masks have been pretty popular lately. There are a few different kinds though, and it's important to know that they're not all the same. There are different styles for different purposes. So today we'll show you the difference between an activated carbon mask, seen here, and a 24 karat gold peel mask, seen here. The gold mask is a little lighter and is meant for smoothing. The gold helps restore collagen and accelerate collagen renewal. It helps reduce wrinkles and does some minor exfoliation. It's a great way to get that last bit of healthy shine on an already clean face. And yes, there are actually ones with real 24 karat gold in them, and they're not as expensive as you'd think. We'll throw a link below for both of these if you want to check them out.
I feel really smooth and refreshing.
The activated carbon mask, seen here, is meant for a deeper clean of the pores as compared to the gold mask, and as a result it will stick to your skin a little more. The carbon is great for absorbing waste and toxins on the skin, and soaks up oil and dirt, leaving you quite clean afterwards. For both of these, you can lightly wash your face with warm water beforehand and cool water afterwards to close your pores when you're done. So there you go, a mask for every occasion. We picked out some great examples of each of these if you want to check out the links below. They make great gifts, or you can just enjoy one yourself. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. We have new content all the time, and we'll see you next time.
Alright folks, today we're going to look at a 24 karat gold facial mask. You just apply it, let it dry for about 20 minutes, and peel it off. The intent of the mask is to restore collagen and clean out your pores. The masks retail from $20 to over $200 on Amazon, but I'm going to put a link below to one that's under 20 bucks, and it's absolutely amazing. So if you want to reduce your wrinkles and clean your skin, then pick one up. I'll put an Amazon link below. It's a great gift to give and a great gift to get.